In place for this year's elections if the President signs the Electoral Laws Amendment Bill into law in time for May's general election.
The bill is expected to be passed by the National Council of Provinces during a special sitting tomorrow after it was passed by the National Assembly last year.
We, under the stewardship of the IEC, are looking forward to your cooperation, and we are ready to run the best election ever.
Home Affairs Minister Siyabonga Cwele, at the time the National Assembly passed the Electoral Laws Amendment Bill last year. Bad news for political parties is that, among other things, it makes it illegal for public funds to be used in campaigns, while good news is that it will ensure that voters whose addresses aren't yet on the voters' roll will still be able to cast their ballots. The issue became controversial after the Concord ruled that the IEC needed to record voters' residential addresses. This was after the outcome of the 2013 by-elections in Tlokwe were legally challenged. Cwele told the National Assembly that this bill would now ensure compliance with the Concord ruling and the smooth running of this year's election.
We have addressed the matters raised by the Constitutional Court. Our approach is to adhere to the constitutional ruling in relation to the requirements of addresses while ensuring that we do not disenfranchise our citizens. The accuracy, integrity, and inclusiveness of the voters' roll is cornerstone of free and fair elections. Accordingly, the bill provides an alternative voting process for voters whose addresses do not appear on the voters' roll.
The bill also makes the cutoff date for voter registration the day after the President announces an election date. The IEC announced earlier that the next registration date would be the 26th and 27th of this month. Tomorrow, the NCOP is expected to pass the bill and refer it to the President for approval. Manilisi Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.